Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing the batteries and unplugging any cable. This prevents power while you work. Use a thin plastic pry tool or a guitar pick for the seam. These tools flex without gouging plastic. Start at the top edge near the bumpers and slide the pick along the joint, prying just enough to pop the first clip. Once done, move to the opposite side so clips release progressively. This reduces stress on the shell and prevents cracking, which is why even pressure matters. Once a few clips are open, slowly work around the controller so the halves separate evenly. You will feel resistance where ribbon cables and internal clips hold. Stop and check rather than forcing anything. If a clip resists, slide dental floss or a thin pick between the seam and use a sawing motion to disengage it. This avoids concentrated pressure. Make sure you support the PCB with your hand while easing the halves apart, because bending the board can damage solder joints or connectors. With the shell open, lift the top gently and locate the ribbon cables and button assemblies. Label or photograph positions so you know how to put them back. When finished, align halves and press around the perimeter evenly until every clip snaps. This ensures a flush fit and prevents future gaps. If clips are stubborn, a brief warm-up with a hairdryer softens plastic. Do not overheat. Troubleshooting tip: if buttons fail after reassembly, open again and reseat the ribbon connectors. They often work loose during handling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.